Learn Welsh. I would like, equals.
Hoffwn.
Welcome. Hey you, welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and free practice tools. Imagine a very polite Welsh dragon who won't breathe fire until it says,
Hoffwn.
as in, I would like, to light the candles. Today, you'll be that polite powerhouse, using
Hoffwn.
everywhere from cafes to starships. Let's go. Your goal today. You'll confidently ask for things with style, kind, clear, and successful. At the cafe, I would like a cappuccino, please. In Welsh,
Hoffwn.
cappuccino.
Os gwelwch yn dda.
In class, I would like to ask a question. In Welsh,
Hoffwn.
Hoffwn Ch.21. On the phone, hello, I would like to make a reservation. In Welsh, helo.
Hoffwn.
Vanud archeb. Polite versus want. Let's keep it classy, polite beats pushy.
Hoffwn.
Equals I would like, polite, soft, super effective.
Dwi eisiau.
Equals I want, stronger, fine, but less polite. Negative.
Hoffwn ddim.
Equals I would not like. Question idea. Could I, equals.
Allwn i.
Offer to someone. Would you like, equals.
A hoffech chi.
Cafe mini dialogues. Listen, repeat, and picture the menu in your hand. You, excuse me.
Hoffwn.
Brinu bara.
Os gwelwch yn dda.
Server. WRTHGWRS. You.
Diolch.
You.
Hoffwn.
Arkebu BWRDD Seth. Host. Dim problem. You.
Diolch.
You.
Hoffwn.
BWRDDWRTHYF Fenister.
Os gwelwch yn dda.
Host. Per faith. Waltz it out. Clap a gentle 3-beat waltz to make the phrase flow. Beat it. Dum, dum, da. Say.
Hoffwn.
On the da. Now add the request. Dum, dum, da.
Hoffwn.
YFED te. Rhyme trick. Be polite, clear, and spry. Start with.
Hoffwn.
When asking to buy. Quick quiz. Ready? Answer out loud, then I'll confirm. Q. Welsh for, I would like. A.
Hoffwn.
Q. Which is more polite?
Hoffwn.
Or.
Dwi eisiau.
A.
Hoffwn.
Q. Say, I would like to drink tea. A.
Hoffwn.
YFED te. Bonus Dragon Q. What do you say before lighting birthday candles with dragonfire? A.
Hoffwn.
Golio or canwilau.
Os gwelwch yn dda.
Culture tip. Politeness opens doors, sometimes literally. At the National Eisteddfod or in a Cardiff market, a friendly smile plus.
Hoffwn.
And.
Os gwelwch yn dda.
Goes a long way. It's the velvet key of Welsh requests, warm, respectful, and welcome. Challenge time. Your turn, speak it into your day today. Create free requests.
Hoffwn ni.
Brinu Tawson, quote.
Hoffwn ni.
Weld y Rio LWR, quote.
Hoffwn ni.
Arkebu BWRDD. Now contrast.
Dwi eisiau.
Coffee versus
Hoffwn ni.
Gale coffee.
Os gwelwch yn dda.
Hear the difference? Negative practice.
Hoffwn ni ddim.
Simrid SIWGR. Gesture cue. Hand on chest, palm open, then speak.
Hoffwn ni.
It feels natural. Wrap up. Nice work, you're sounding wonderfully polite. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Hoffwn ni.
All day, at the cafe, in class, or on a call, and sprinkle in.
Os gwelwch yn dda.
And.
Diolch.
For more episodes, exercises, and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Diolch, see you next time.